As the test concludes, the fire-resistant chamber remains basically intact. The temperature on the left-hand chamber is even low enough to safely accommodate an occupant. Take a look at the various items within the test chamber. The objects on the table are charred. The shelf and its items are completely gone. The wood cribs have burned away. Comparison of key measurements. Radiant heat flux at 1 meter or 3.3 feet distance. SGG contraflam, less than 1 kilowatt. Glass ceramic, 28 kilowatts. Surface temperature of hardwood at 1 meter or 3.3 feet distance. SGG contraflam side, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Glass ceramic side, 850 degrees Fahrenheit. Average glass surface temperature, SGG contraflam side, less than 235 degrees Fahrenheit. Glass ceramic side, more than 1300 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum air temperature, SGG contraflam side, 99 degrees Fahrenheit. Glass ceramic side, 934 degrees Fahrenheit. To learn more, call us at 1-888.
Yes, this movie is really used for the US market, so that's why we have it in Fahrenheit, and that's why we present it in Celsius. Yes, something about fire. Yes.
Like the glass on the right side, was it E30 or something?
Yes.
Yeah.
It was E30. It was our Paris response.
Yeah, but because it's still staying within its frame.
It stays in the frame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, for an hour.
Yeah.
Even though
Yeah, it depends on which frame system you install it in. Because when you heat up glass, it expands.
Yeah.
So that's why we cannot say beforehand what happens in a test lab, because you do not. Some test labs, the oven is very, very aggressive with speeding up high temperature depending on if they use oil or they use gas. Normally they use gas nowadays, but in the old days they use a lot of oil to heat it up. That's the one thing. The next is the temperature in the test lab. There are some specifications. It needs to be something around from 15 to 22 degrees, but sometimes in the winter time, because it's really a test lab with a very big oven opening, and they need to open it to get all the smog out of the room, so it can be quite cold. So it is quite stressful. Normally we install the frame at least 24 hours before we burn the frame in the glass.
I also noticed that on the right hand side, they had 3 panels, so each glass panel was smaller than just one.
Yeah.
So is it with E30 glass, for example, is the size limited?
No.
You could you have the same one
Yeah.
glass
Yeah.
panel also?
Yeah. Normally the frame is the challenge for glass, because if you have a big paint, you can see we really limit is what can you handle in practical, because it's the edge that is the challenge. So that when we test, we normally, to cover all situations, we normally have one big as possible down and as high as possible, and then you have one small, this as a side panel for a door, for instance, and you have then what we call an over door solution as well. So you are allowed to be flexible in the different situations, because if the authorities see the description or the report, they say, okay, yes, but here you have a very small dimension. What do happen when we put on fire if we change it? And sometimes you have where we lay it down, which is not very